Hi guys, welcome back, and if this is your first time here, welcome to Monise Makes. My name is Monise and I love doing DIY projects. Today I'm going to be showing you how I transformed this room for my brother and his wife. They asked me to strip the paint off of the countertops of this little desk and bay window area that's in their guest room. They also wanted me to touch up the cabinets and the drawers and the shelves, anything that has white, so I used this cabinet door and trim enamel. I used scissor strip to try to remove the white paint, but then I ended up trying a new product, and if you would like to hear about the review of this product, I will link the video up above for you to watch that. My mom's the one that actually worked on the cabinets and the drawers. She removed the handles and cleaned it up nice, and it was pretty dirty. It's an old house, so it was built in the 1930s, and these handles were this beautiful copper color, but it just didn't go with the flow of the decor in the room, so my mom decided to spray paint them black, and this is a really cool trick she taught me. If you have screws that are exposed, you can just stick them in styrofoam and spray paint them that way. Then you get full coverage and there's less of a mess. My sister-in-law actually did a lot of the touch-ups on the shelves, and she's the one that painted the walls and everything. She did such a great job. But she was also able to sand down the space for me, and then I just came back and applied some Danish oil and a dark walnut. And once that was dry, I used polyurethane on top, and once that was dry, I went in with the green paint and did some touch-ups along the walls where you could still see the white paint that was originally on the countertops, as you can see here. I thought she picked such a beautiful green color for this guest room, and I was so excited to decorate this for them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you know of anyone that would enjoy this type of content, please share this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, let me know what you thought of this little makeover, and I hope to see you in the next video.